bagel, it had bacon on it, whatever. And I'm just biting it. I go, dude, I'm sorry. I go, and he goes to shake my hand.
No left turn.
Go, no, dude, I got some.
Blake, and then going back down, going up back to Fulton, and going down. That took 2 hours and 2 minutes.
Exit dive, over
the
the thing.
And the whole
Can't
time
read the signs.
Out drinking. Oh my god, I gotta do
Oh, they got no gas there now?
If I acted like that, which is what.
Wait, what the hell are you doing up there? Yeah, he moved back to the right. What an asshole.
What are you doing?
Oh, look, you're stuck at the red light now. Good job. Your country's proud of you. Round of applause for the asshole.
On this trail to be aware of, but it's quite apparent where it goes.
Hey, what the?
Even
really?
on all of the slab climbs, it's pretty obvious. But
I tried before to tell you, and you cannot do that anymore. Or you couldn't really do that to begin with, I guess.
Yeah, that's exactly why I also am with you.
Nope.
Was sent for, and by the time he had come down through the airlock, the hoses had been put into service and were enough to extinguish.
You're just scared of losing your. All right, let's get to the. Why did I close this fucking thing?
Nope. Toyo turn, and guess what? There's a car coming from the left, although I don't think he's merging over here, so you're safe there, I guess. But you're still screwed up.
Definitely paranormal. Definitely has some kind of powers of some sort. I have no clue. Really don't know, but they're there, or else we would have in a museum.
Really?
It's not,
that's the center of turn lane.
Out of the 46 and 46 podcast, he's taking
red light run, red light run, red light run.
Murphy immediately answered that in the event of Roblin's death, Martin.
No.
Yeah. So yeah, like I was saying, there's this area.
Red light run, red light run, red light run.
He used a bosun's chair like the one Farrington had crossed on, which was hung to the traveler by a big iron shackle.
Come on.
Seating himself as Farrington had.
What the fuck are you doing? I would just love to see how that turns out. I would just love to see how that turns out. Wow. Yeah, that could have been planned better. No, stop!
We're coming on to talk about Bigfoot and UFOs. Check out their YouTube channel,
No, stop.
Bigfoot, and check back next week for more.
Are they gonna run the stop sign? Of course they do. No, they don't stop. Of course, why is that stop sign there if no one follows it?
Again, and on his way on the last leg of the trip, down to the New York anchorage. Now the great
red light run, red light run, red light run. Oh, behind me. Toyo turd, there's a car alongside you. Hello? Really? Same thing happened to me here like 2 days ago. Yeah, there was a car coming, dude.
The day started with tons of maples, big old maples.
No, stop.
And lots of beech trees. with beech nuts all over
Hey,
the ground.
you really have to take the turn
in case there
that
are
wide.
any deer or black bears listening.
I have, like, my ski boots, I could actually spend all day just walking around with the winter boots. They're designed only for
No,
alpine
turn on
you
red.
cannot downhill ski with them.
As Mr. Farrington was seen to approach the top of the tower, the engine was slowed. All eyes
Red
were now
light
strained
run,
to the
red
circle.
light run, red light run.
My skis at the intersection and then just go
Hike it.
just
come
go
back
hike them
down.
both and get my
Sure.
skis and come out.
And
'Cause I'm
that'll
still
be a
gonna
quick
Red
day.
light
still be 10
run,
times
red
faster.
light run, red light run.
Much more cautious with winter hiking and always trying to find someone to go with me versus in the summer up.
No stop.
No, don't really care if someone comes with me. Like cramping up to start the 25 high peak, 50 plus mile day with 26,000 feet of elevation gain, right?
Yeah, you
But Jonathan
turn on
knew
your
it would go
signal
away as
after
he
you
got-
start merging over, after you had the wrong one on. Good job. Country's proud of you. Oh, wait, and you merged back over to the right because you were going to exit anyway because a ton of people use that exit. What the fuck, dude?
But, you know, I thought, you know, maybe there's an opportunity for kind of this underground, kind of edgy, you know, meme,
Hello?
you know,
Hi there.
format. It's, yeah, no, it's
Yeah,
taken off.
I'm kind of in the circle first, you know.
You know, some people probably Andy Myler, and he's here and he's going to take us through the journey with him day by day and tell us the whole story from the paddling to the camping, what he ate. We're going to dive right into it. And for those who aren't familiar with the Adirondack Canoe Classic, which
Oh,
again,
did he
is
exit
better
dive?
known as the 90
It's
Miler,
really tough.
it is an 80K.
This race do a very good job, and they set up a canoe shuttle, so we didn't worry too much about
Oh,
shuttling
what
the
the-
canoe itself, but more so our
Really?
cars and everything, than just, you know, your normal paddle
Yes,
thing. So, you know, I'm a little nervous, but once that countdown finished and we were on the
Why
water,
are you
know,
stopping?
there was only one thing left to
You
do.
got a
and that
green
was
light
paddle.
too, you
And,
know.
that's what we did. So we made our way to the first race. And